And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So one of the things you'll find most helpful in your Python journey is help and dir. Even once you're a Python master, you'll probably still use these at least once in a while. Or you just use Google, but yeah. So first off, if you need to maybe know something helpful about something, you can go help. And let's say str, for example. Str. If we were to run this, then here it gives you an entire description of what's happening. So the class is string, and it takes in an object. The object by default is empty, and it returns a string. That's kind of what that means. We'll be getting to that later. Here it says create a new string object from the given object. So it explains what's actually happening, and yeah, and here it gives you a few things you can use. So add, contains, EQ, format, GE. You can either scroll or you can press the down button to go down and see what else there is. There's a lot of things you can look through, and as you can see, there's capitalize, because you know you can use dot capitalize with a string, and there's case fold, center, count. And yeah, it's just very, very nice. You can also do specific things, so maybe you want to go dot capitalize. Do that. As you can see, there's the dot capitalize function, returns capitalized version of the string. More specifically, makes the first character uppercase and the rest lowercase. So you can use this to get specific details about some things. So maybe you want lower, upper, whichever. And as you can see, it returns a copy of the string converted to lowercase. So you can use this to kind of figure out what some things do. But sometimes you don't want to go through the documentation. You know, it's a little bit oof. Sometimes you just don't kind of want to do that. Another thing you can do then is, let's print this out. You can say dir. Go dir and put in what you want to know more about. And here it prints out all of the functions and stuff you can use with a string. So we can use rstrip, and here there's lower, and there is strip, there's title. You can use all of these things to kind of, use with a string. You can do the same with an int, for example. Put that there. As you can see, there is a lot of things you can do here as well. And you can use help to figure out what some of them does. There's also another thing you can use with there. So you can go built in. It may need these. I'm not sure. There we go. So these are all the built-in functions and stuff Python has. So here's a length. So if you wanted to get the length of a string, you'd go len and then the string, of course. There's tuples. There's zip for if you use a for loop. There is sum. There's all of these things you can use. Here's unlocked errors. You can go for all of these yourself if you wanted to. But, if you ever needed to get a refresher or reminder or do something and you couldn't quite remember, you can use these right here, the help and dir, to kind of get what you need. But yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about, because you will be finding these more useful in the future as you continue with learning. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all again in the next video.